Unraveling Emotion, the Lazarus Theory Explained.
Hello, and welcome to our discussion on the fascinating world of emotion. Today, we're diving deep into the Lazarus Theory of Emotion, a compelling model that suggests our feelings result not just from what happens to us, but also how we interpret these events. This theory is named after psychologist Richard Lazarus, who proposed it.
What is the Lazarus Theory of Emotion?
The Lazarus Theory, also known as cognitive mediational theory, posits that our cognitive appraisal of a situation determines the emotion we feel in response to it. In simple terms, it's not the event itself, but our interpretation and perception of the event that trigger our emotional response.
What are the key components of the Lazarus Theory?
This theory is made up of several key components, so let's break them down. 1. Primary appraisal. This is the initial stage of the cognitive process, where we evaluate the situation and consider its potential impact on us. We categorize the situation as irrelevant, beneficial, or harmful. 2. Secondary appraisal. After the initial evaluation, we then assess our ability to cope with the situation. This includes evaluating resources, challenges, and the possible ways to respond. 3. Emotional response. The outcome of the primary and secondary appraisals then leads to an emotional response. This emotional response is related to how we assess the situation initially and our perceived ability to handle it. 4. Coping. After the emotional response, coping strategies are employed to manage the emotional stress. Remember, it's our cognitive appraisal, not the event itself, that ultimately generates our emotional response according to this theory.
Why is the Lazarus Theory significant?
The Lazarus Theory of Emotion underscores the crucial role our thoughts and perceptions play in our emotions. Understanding this process can provide key insights into our emotional reactions and how they might be managed or changed. It places importance on our internal mental processes, emphasizing that our feelings are not just passive reactions, but active, interpretive responses to our environment. That concludes our journey through the Lazarus Theory of Emotion. By understanding this theory, we can better comprehend how our perceptions and thoughts shape our emotional reactions. This theory opens up the door to personal empowerment, as it suggests that by changing our interpretations, we can influence our emotional experiences. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating landscape of your mind.